naam Joe hai. Joe. Good afternoon from Karachi, Pakistan. We're on the way to Clifton Beach, which could be one of the most crazy beaches in the world. I've seen so many videos there where there's quad bikes, horses, camels, so we're heading there to see what will happen. We're squidging on the bike with Kieran behind, who you might recognise if you've watched my previous videos last year. But we're heading down the street now and we'll just see what this beach is about. Oh, that was not good getting off. How much was the bike?
80, but we'll do it.
80. So that's around, what's that, 30p, 25p. To be fair, it's a short ride, but the prices here are very, very cheap. But we're going to give him 200, just a little tip. Shukriya. And we're here at Clifton Beach. It actually looks quite nice. I wasn't expecting it. From the videos I've seen, it's looked a bit brown. But here, looks quite a nice beach. It could be in sunny Spain or something like that. But no, Pakistan, in Karachi. But yeah, I've seen it. I can see a few camels over there. I think there's a few horses, maybe quad bikes, which we can, yeah, have a go on and see what it is like. So I take it back, it's not quite sunny Spain. It is very brown and there's a lot of rubbish everywhere. But yeah, it's nice to be by the sea. And hey up, Kieran's found a camel and a horse. See how much it is to ride them. I'm good, thank you. Salam alaikum. How much? 200, so about 70p. Why have I got the camels? I hate getting on camels because there's a massive jolt when you get up. No. Kieran, do you want a photo? I'm okay, thank you. I have my camera. I have my camera to film.
Hey, your picture, man.
I'm good.
Come sit. No, come sit.
Oh, I don't like this. Oh. Oh. Fucking hell. Oh. Kieran trying to get on the horse. I'm good. I have my camera. Do I look good? Kieran's struggling on the horse. Right. It's the start of the camel ride which is always the scariest, because they jolt up massively when you get up, and I've seen sometimes they just get up randomly without even planning. But yeah, you get in some crazy situations in countries like Pakistan. I never thought I'd be riding a camel down the beach. Oh no, here we go. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, this is not safe. Oh. Kieran, I've definitely got the worst deal here. Oh, no. Oh, it's jolting so much. Oh. You do get a nice breeze up here though, because it's very hot in Karachi. It's around 35 degrees. But here is the whole Clifton Beach. Me and Kieran just strolling along in the camel and a horse. Don't actually know where we're going and how far we're going. Kieran's horse has no one controlling it really. He's just strolling off by himself. Oh. But this is not comfortable. I'm sitting on like some wood, and it's got a little handle here, but it doesn't not feel safe. I'll give you a sea view. Quite a few locals on here still, even though it's Ramadan. I think most locals, like during Ramadan, obviously try and avoid the middle heat of the day because they can't drink during the day. So yeah, even being out here for an hour with no water is tough enough. So that's why I think they avoid coming out in the day. And as you saw with yesterday's video, at night it becomes absolute chaos at around 7 p.m. for iftar, where they break their fast usually with water and a date, and then they eat from then on. But yeah, I was out till like 2 a.m. last night, and the streets are so busy because yeah, you've got people staying up all night and then sleeping for a lot of the day to avoid the midday sun. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Oh, we're picking up some speed. My groins are not doing well. He's taking us towards the sea. I don't know if we're going to go in the sea. I hope not. I don't know if camels like water. Oh, I don't even know how long this ride is. For 200 rupiah, which is only, yeah, as I said, like 60, 70p. I can't imagine the ride is too long, and I hope it's not. I think we're getting down. This is the scary bit, because it jolts massively forward and you feel like you're going to fall off. Here we go. Oh! Leader like fully forward. Back legs. Here we go. Oh. And we're down. Lovely. Oh. Oh. What a ride. My groins, not good. Kieran definitely got the best deal there on the horse. Assalamu alaikum. 500 for both, which is about £1.50.
Yes, you can.
Shukriya. Wow, that was a ride. I don't know where the quad bikes are. We're going to try. We've seen people ride quad bikes here, so we're going to try and find that.
It'll either be in the evening or just because of Ramadan they're not bothering.
Yeah, or maybe further down here, hopefully. We're getting chased by the man who took the camel photos. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Let's have a look at the photos to see how good they are. Are they good? They look good. That's me. How much? How much?
1,000.
Kitna? 1,000? No, no. 1,000, way too expensive. Yeah. The photo is more expensive than the camel ride. Yeah, I'm not paying 1,000. It's too much. Because, yeah, as I said, I only paid 200 for the actual camel ride.
Hello.
I'm good. Thank you. He's trying to pass them to me because then they pretend they give it for free and then ask for money after. But nah, I'm good. Thank you. Shukriya. Shukriya. I'm good. Thank you. Shukriya. Nah. I don't want them. I have my camera. I have my camera. Oh, it's okay.
No picture,
Shukriya. They're definitely going to try charge after. I'm okay. Thank you. I have a video.
No money, yaar.
I'm okay.
No money, yaar.
Yes, but then you ask for money after.
No money, yaar.
No. Because they say for free and then after they ask you for money. So it's better just to say no. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shukriya. Oh, they're the quad bikes.
Oh.
We found the quad bikes. Quad bike over there with just 4 people hanging off. So there definitely is quad bikes here. We just need to try and find them. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Aap kaise hai aap?
We are in Pakistan.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Karachi.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
चैनल का नाम क्या है?
joemartintravel. Joe Martin.
मोबाइल आप
Yeah. आपके नाम क्या है?
मोहम्मद उमर.
Mohammed Umar.
हाँ.
Mohammed Umar.
मोहम्मद उमर.
Mohammed Umar.
हाँ जी.
Mohammed Umar.
हाँ. तस्लीम खान.
Taslim Khan.
खान.
Khan. Taslim Khan.
रिजवान बंद हो गया.
Rizwan.
रिजवान शेख.
Rizwan Sheikh.
उनके पैसे.
मेरा नाम जो है.
जो.
No. Slightly easier name.
आपके YouTube चैनल का नाम क्या है?
Yes, I'll type it in. Are you from Karachi?
Yeah. Yes.
Karachi. I've only been here one day.
यहाँ लिख दो.
Can I get a ride on your motorbike? You drive on the back, not driving.
Yeah.
Can I sit on the back?
ये लो.
You drive. Not me.
I drive?
Yeah. I will crash. I can only drive scooter.
Okay.
We don't have these in England.
Yeah.
I've never been on a motorbike on the beach. Hopefully I survive.
Yeah, okay, YouTube
Let's
channel.
go. First time on the beach on a motorbike. Yeah, there's some stalls over here. I don't know what is over here.
यहीं उतारो
Hey?
घुमाऊं
Here?
घुमाऊं गाड़ी
Go round? Back?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. It's a little loop. Speed. Shukriya.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. Thank you. Shukriya. What an experience that is. As I said, the people here are so kind. They're always friendly, like willing to help you out, drive you along the beach on a motorbike if you fancy it. But yeah, Pakistan has been so friendly so far, despite what the media says. Right, there's a bit of horse poo, so I've got to avoid that. But yeah, honestly, I'm loving my time here so far. But I did see the quad bike.
Yeah,
And like,
that was down the very other end, I think.
yeah, and there was like 3 people hanging off it. So I do want to try it, but it's about trying to find where we can actually get the quad bike from. So I've been walking about and not managed to find the quad bike. I feel like there's only one on the whole beach, and it's down that far end, and we're at the other end. So I think I'm going to end the video there. The beach has been, yeah, a crazy experience to be fair. It's no Costa del Sol, but it does the job. It's nice to be by the sea. But yeah, I've got so many more videos throughout Pakistan, in Karachi, probably for another 4 or 5 days. So I've got a lot more videos to come, so make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next video.